Hey everybody, this is David Bradley, training facilitator and coach with Grant Cardone. I got your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. Today's tip is a quote from the recent 10X Growth Conference, 10X Growth Con 2021, 10X Growth Con 5. It was said by Grant Cardone. Here it is. Are you ready? Quote, "It is impossible to be a champion if you are uncertain." End quote. One more time though. It is impossible to be a champion if you are uncertain. What are you uncertain about? What are you uncertain about right now? What do you need to be a champion of? Who do you need to be a champion for? Okay? What I want you to do today, just for today, is be certain. How do you get certain? Certainty is earned. Okay? Grant goes on to say this: winning is about more than awards. It comes from within the mind and the confidence in yourself, which means that certainty and confidence, those things are earned. Okay? So what do you need to do to be certain today? Go out there and earn it. And this has been your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. If you would like to if you missed 10X Growth Conference 2021, 10X Growth Con 5, and you would like to get the recording of it, right now it's only $97. Head on over to cardonesolutions.com/recording. That's cardonesolutions.com/recording. One more time for good measure. cardonesolutions.com/recording. That is one quote, that is one nugget, that is one bomb dropped out of millions. There's millions of dollars waiting in that 3-day event. And speaking of the words of Grant Cardone, I will leave you with these. Be great, because nothing else pays.